Welcome to 6310 Glenbard Road in the coveted subdivision of Rolling Valley in Burke, Virginia. This colonial home has over 2,400 square feet. Join us on a tour today. A few steps off your foyer is your living room, where the sunlight streams through all of these windows. The owner opened up this wall a few years ago, so the family room feeds right into the kitchen. Just a few steps from the family room is the kitchen, the heart of the home, with updated cabinets, quartz countertops, undermount sink, stainless steel appliances, including a built-in microwave. The main level also features a dining room right off the foyer with crown molding, chair railing, and fresh paint. An additional feature is the half bathroom on the main level. The new owner will love the primary suite. Fresh paint, brand new carpet, 4 closets, and a large ensuite bathroom. The upper level also features 3 generously sized bedrooms, a full bathroom with new vanity and shower bathtub combination. Down the stairs from your main level is your large recreation room with built-in shelving, extra storage, an additional bedroom, and a direct walk out to your backyard. Buyers love a screened-in porch. This large screened-in porch is so wonderful. They even added ceiling fans to the screened-in porch. Behind me is your own private backyard. I actually like to call it your own little private forest. Thank you for watching the video. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour.